Subscribe to Tech Conclusion channel and press the bell icon to get notified about every new technology videos. Dear friends and followers, welcome back to my Tech Conclusion channel. In this video, I am going to unbox the JBL Bluetooth headphones. So, let's get started. Hey everyone, this is Shashank from Tech Conclusion. This is my first unboxing video on the Tech Conclusion channel. So, let's jump into the video. Hello guys, so I'm going to unbox the Bluetooth earphone of the JBL. So let's unbox it. So it's the 2,499 rupees and it comes with 110PT wireless, pure bass sound, hands-free calls and service. So let's unbox it. It comes with a nice package. So I put on the descriptions. So it comes with a manual. It comes with a JBL cards. It all comes with the generators. So let's keep it aside. Same thing. It's in the Chinese language. I couldn't understand these things. So it comes with a warranty card. It comes with a 1-year replacement warranty card. It's all not needed information. It's an user manual, so I think you can just look into that. Yes. So these are the manuals. So let's keep aside and just explore this. This comes with extra earbuds. It's a very tiny one. So let's keep this aside. So let's start with USB to micro USB cable. So that here. So these are the earphones. It's one tangle free, and this is the micro USB charging port. And it comes with this and minus one. And it comes with a battery. This is the battery. And it can connect each other. These are the magnetic ones, so it can stick around this. It can stick, so it can't lessen. So this is the box. So let's on this. So nice feature. So this comes in an ordinate range.
clearly says that. So that's it for today, guys.
So you saw the JBL Bluetooth headphone unboxing. So is there anything to say about that? Please comment in the comment section below, and see you on the next video. The link in the description below to buy it. So let's meet you on the next video. Till that, take care. Bye bye. See you.